Okay, we made adjustments here. Taking a little bit out in here. A little bit more out in here. Sanded this down some. So our mouth is going to fit where we want it to. This is where our eye hook is going to go, is there, and then we'll put one back here. We've trimmed up the back of the head, so now the back of the head's going to fit okay. And we got an 1¼ inch stick we're going to use here. So we're going to drill that. Be sure you put the back of the head in when you put it in your vise so you don't split your head. Remember, we got our center marked on here so we know where to start our hole. I'm going to use an 1¼ inch drill bit here, and we're going to go up between 2 and 2½ inches. So we're about between 2¼ to 2½ inches here. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put it in my comments section. I'll get back with you. So that fits good, so we're going to glue our stick in and let it set up so we can go on to the next step.
That is one of my favorite titles for an album, though. God shall but one kid had it worse than that. Chick McGee dealing with that. How did we get from to that? Hey, I feel like talking about dinner, Tom. What are we doing for dinner tonight? Well, I'll tell you what. Since I don't feel like going to the grocery store, Hello Fresh has got my back. I'll get yours too, because you don't want to spend a long time in the jug online walking around the store for half an hour trying to find where's the horseradish. You know what? They'll do it for you. They do the shopping. They do the measuring. They send you the food. It's fresh.
So we'll set this aside, let this set up, and then we'll be ready to drill our hole for our string.
Some of these new cool ones like the Southwest pork and bean burritos.
Thanks for watching.